Good evening, students. Today we are going to start our next chapter, the hack driver. The hack driver means a cabman or a cab driver. The young lawyer comes to a village to serve summons on Oliver Luckins. Summon means a legal call. A friendly hack driver takes him round the village in search of Luckins. Does he find him? Who is Luckins? Now, what is the question you have to find in the content of this story, content of this chapter? Does the man, the young lawyer, able to find Oliver Luckins, and who is Luckins? After graduating with honors, I became a junior assistant clerk in a magnificent law firm. The narrator said, I have taken my graduation with honors. I have done my graduation with honors, and now I am working as a junior assistant clerk in a big law firm. I was sent not to prepare legal briefs. My work, the narrator said, my work was not to prepare the legal details, but to serve summons like a chief private detective. That what is my work? My work to give summons to the witness, summons to the particular victims like a chief private detective. That my work is like a work of private detective. I had to go to dirty and shadowy corners of the city to seek out my victims. He hated his work. Why the narrator hated his work? Because he had to go to the dirty corners of the city to seek, to look, to search out the victims. Some of the larger and more self-confident ones even beat me up. The narrator said, the more confident and larger parties, larger victims even beat me. I have to face the violence from the side of the many opponent parties, many larger parties having powerful parties. I hated this unpleasant work and the side of the city life it revealed to me. It revealed means it exposed to me. I even considered fleeing, Fleeing. Fleeing means to run. Fleeing to my hometown where I could have been a real lawyer right away. Sometimes a narrator had a great wish to run away to his hometown where he could have been a real lawyer without going through this unpleasant training period. Actually, he hated this training period and he wanted to go back to his hometown where he directly run his practice as a lawyer. So I rejoiced. Rejoiced means happy. One day when they sent me out 40 miles in a country to a town called New Mullen. The town name is New Mullen, and the narrator sent to that place to serve summons on a man called Oliver Luckins. He visited a town, New Mullen, to give summon to a man named Oliver Luckins. We needed this man as a witness in a law case, and he had ignored all our letters. Why the narrator himself visited his town? Because so many legal letters, so many legal calls, Oliver Luckins ignored. When I got to New Mullen, my eager expectations of a sweet and simple country village were severely disappointed. That the narrator said, I was expecting the place sweet and clean, but I disappointed completely because streets were rivers of mud. Streets were covered with mud, just as the river of mud, with row of wooden shops, either painted a sort brown और बेयर ऑफ एनी पेंट एट ऑल. कि जो शॉप्स थी या तो वो डल ब्राउनिश पेंटिंग से पेंट थी, इनामल से, या फिर बिल्कुल भी पेंट नहीं थी. The only agreeable sight means pleasant sight. The only agreeable sight about the place was the delivery man at the station. What was the pleasant sight? The pleasant sight for the narrator to meet a delivery man, to meet a hack driver at the station. He was about, students underline these lines, he was about 40, red-faced was the delivery man, red-faced, cheerful and thick about the middle. He was 40 years of age, red-faced, cheerful personality and thick about the middle. His working clothes were dirty and well worn. Well worn means repeated or used so many times. and he had a friendly manner. It means he deals with his customer in a very friendly manner. He was a cheerful personality. Although his working clothes were quite dirty,